All right, everybody, just wrapping up here. It is 4 p.m. Eastern on Thursday, February 2024. Had a slow day, just waiting for these markets to kind of clear up a bit, navigating the waters carefully with risk management. Made about 530 today on these two accounts total. Just, again, kind of trying to build the balances here on these accounts, and I'm not really linking them up on the copy trade unless I see a very high probability setup like I did the other day on the NASDAQ before the power went out and I was unable to make 1,000 or two on each account. But that's fine. Just continuing to build them. You can see we got about 1,800 on this one, 830 here, about a grand here, 700 on each of these, 400 here, now 150 here. And then the last three are still around break even. I'm still deciding on the overall strategy. Do you try and get all 10 over the line? Do you, break them up and get 5 over the line? We'll see. The important thing is with Owings Market Analysis is just steady trading, managing the risk, picking our spots, and kind of just knowing when to push it and when to play it a bit more conservatively. And these markets lately are a bit tricky, so you got to play it conservatively. That's what I'm doing, and just slowly getting over the COVID. So started this challenge, I don't know, 8 or 9 trading days ago with the COVID. So just been taking it slow, but off to a good start. Having fun with it and live streaming it every day. Today the trades were just had a crude long right in here. So this was the long in crude, and throwing tools up here for us. That long in crude, obviously looking back, would have been nice to hold that all day, but I just kind of wasn't in the mood today. I thought crude was, a good buy right into this support level on this hourly close. Remember, these are hourly bars. As we were trending up here, we pulled back. I went long because we also had a nice pullback on the 15-minute here. We had double support into the key OMA daily resistance levels that were broken, so they were now support. So it was a good buy on crude. Haven't traded crude in a while, so just throwing one contract on the one account and made a few $100 there. Got long down here, covered up here for about 30 cents on crude. Then made a little bit on the bonds, shorting them, and then finished up here with a little bit of a, not a scalp, but just a little bit of a closing range trade on ES heading into the close, just using some key OMA levels. I'll show you here real quick. We'll wrap up the video, just kind of tracking the progress here. Join us in the live stream, calling out these trades live every day in real time, and then for the trades I take after, I post them to the elite members area at owingstrading.com. So here was the ES just heading into the close, and what I did is I just before bed, I'm pretty tired here in Sweden, it's late, but I just bought here down at these pink dots. These are the extensions, and just one contract bought here, wrote it back to about here, just, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 points there to finish the day. So anyways, a solid day. The big days will be there when everything is looking good and we line it up like we did with the NASDAQ the other day. I like to wait for those really high probability trades before I copy trade all the accounts, and definitely got the fantastic edge here with Owings Market Analysis. Just amazing how consistent it is and how well it works. Got our playbook for all market conditions. So now just kind of playing around with the challenges and seeing how best to strategize the actual challenges themselves. Do you copy trade them? Do you sacrifice a few accounts and go big and get 3 or 4 out over the line? I'm still kind of playing with that idea, but the nice thing is we've got a great edge in order to try and figure out the best approach to the actual challenges. So having a lot of fun with that. Hopefully be over COVID here in the next couple of days and just be rocking and rolling into the middle of the month and just keep going strong. We're having a great start to the live streaming for the channel. We're going to have some fantastic trading coming up. You guys better keep a very close eye on the monthly chart of ES. This is the monthly chart for ES. You got a lot of OMA resistance coming in up here, a lot. So we'll see how February closes out, but if we close up here in February, I'm going to be looking for a move like this in March, or maybe even like this. We'll see. Something big. So it's exciting. We'll continue to play it day by day. Whatever happens, we're trading the market that's in front of us, and we use all these charts to pick really good spots every day. Come and join us. Check out the live stream. We're having a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. Take care. Bye-bye.